the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. What's up, YouTube? Look what I just got from Best Buy today. I just want to say the pickup process at Best Buy was awesome. I got there, clicked now here, and they came out in 1 minute and 30 seconds. That was awesome. That is a beautiful box. Look at that. All right, so this is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Guys, please let me know in the comments below what you would like to see on my next video. This is just a fun first impressions type video, but if you want to see specific things, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure to address those on my next full review video on the Samsung Galaxy Fold 2. Also, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to be entered in to win my weekly Amazon gift card drawing. This is the best foldable screen phone that there is. The first one was not too great, but they've improved quite a bit. Looks like I'm gonna need a pocket knife. That'll do. All right, so let's see what's inside. All right. That to the side. Ooh, that was a lot of work. All right, and we unfold the foldable screen. Whoa. Change the shape of the future. Introducing Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineeringship and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. And that's just a piece of paper that came off of it. Take this box off. It's just a little instruction booklet. Care instruction. That is a thing of beauty. Care instruction. Whoa, you can kind of see the break right there. Overall, it feels pretty solid. Wow, this is smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Let's see what else is in the box. Galaxy Z Premier Service. Your Galaxy foldable device comes with specialized customer care services designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. Oh, that is so nice. A little power cable. The USB adapter, the super fast charger. All right, so let's turn this on. Samsung, let's go. Check out some info to get started. Choose Wi-Fi network, connect, copy apps and data. So I have no apps to copy. Use old device, can't use old phone. Skip. Skip. Blah, 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 blah. Face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, password. I don't know if you can get that much more secure, ladies and gentlemen. Face recognition, let's try that out. Continue. Before you register your face, you need to set a secure screen lock pattern. Do I wear glasses? No. Should I wear glasses? Skip. Wow, I didn't realize Samsung had all that. Samsung Pay, Samsung Cloud, Bixby, Galaxy Theme, Spotify, Find My Mobile, Samsung Pass, Samsung Health, Galaxy Store, Secure Folder, Samsung Internet, Samsung Plus. Whoa, I'm skipping out on a lot, guys. Beautiful. All right. So let's test this baby out. This is gonna be my first fold of this beautiful screen. Wow. That is an experience. That is pretty cool. And it's got all that on the front. You got your main apps. Camera. This is one of those features I was really excited about. Okay, so put it in that mode, and now you can record everything else. Here's the camera. Wow, that's beautiful. Wow, that is a beautiful display. The quality of this camera is just amazing. Here's fold mode. Look at that. Now you got yourself a little automatic stand. Let's take a picture. I'm gonna upload these pictures as well so that you guys can see the quality of these pictures. Got your zoom modes. This feels like a lot better quality than my iPhone 11 Pro Max. There's a food mode. This little button right here is amazing. You click on that and you can see a preview of what the main camera sees.
How cool is that? That's some good quality.
Now the people that you're taking pictures of can also see the photo that you're taking. Got your fingerprint scanner, your volume up and down buttons, speaker, stereo speakers on both sides, your charge port. Overall, the apps and the buttons and everything feel pretty snappy. This is some hard work, everybody, playing with technology. All right, so my top 3 pros and cons of this pretty cool device. Number 1, it's not waterproof. Top dollar smartphones on the market right now are waterproof. This is not one of them. This cost me $2,000. As you can see, it smudges and fingerprints very easily. Texting on the display is actually pretty nice, even in landscape mode. The interior display is top notch, looks amazing. The multitask support where you can just move in between apps is pretty awesome. Don't let that price online fool you. They try to reel you in with that $11.99 price. That's not how much it costs. They're implying that you have the last Galaxy Fold phone and it's in perfect condition for up to an $800 discount. I bought this straight out, no trade-in. Samsung Care will run you at $11.99 per month, which I highly recommend. Geek Squad protection is $10.99 at Best Buy. It's got 256 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Closed it's 6.2 by 2.6 inches and open it's 6.2 by 5 inches. It weighs in at 9.9 ounces. This is one pretty cool feature. The screen is content adaptive, so it actually shifts between 11 hertz to 120 hertz depending on what it's displaying to save battery. This 120 hertz display is a huge improvement over the 60 hertz display from the last version. The cover screen and inside screen remain in content sync with each other. This device can drag and drop between 3 apps simultaneously. It's got a side-mounted fingerprint scanner on top of the facial recognition on top of the pin code, so this device is going to be incredibly secure. It comes in Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze. It's got a 12 megabyte rear camera and a 10 megabyte front facing camera. It's got 3 cameras, ultra wide, wide, and telephoto. It's got another pretty awesome feature called auto framing, which basically readjusts your focus based on other people entering the view. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. This is the first time I've ever folded a screen, but it's pretty cool. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment to be entered in to win my weekly Amazon gift card drawing. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. God bless.